I also need to give it some pH boosting materials. And we come here, the grapefruit, there's even a nice smell. I don't know how to explain it, but the bees are busy collecting pollen or pollinating the grapefruit tree. I don't know, we only got 3 grapefruits last time. We'll see how many this time we'll get. But it was also, it almost it almost died. So this time around it is well secured, well taken care of. So we'll see how much grapefruit we will have. The bees are busy buzzing, collecting pollen from the flowers. You can see the bees, they are busy buzzing. The flowers are smelling so good.